Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is a powerful customer relationship management solution designed for medium to large businesses that need deep integration with Microsoft's ecosystem. It offers advanced sales, customer service, marketing, and automation tools, all built into one unified platform. If your company already relies on Microsoft products like Office 365, Teams, or Azure, this CRM seamlessly integrates, making workflows more efficient. Key features include AI-powered insights, automated sales forecasting, lead scoring, customer segmentation, and omni-channel support for better communication with clients. Its marketing module helps personalize campaigns, while the customer service tools provide case management, self-service portals, and chatbots for faster issue resolution. The field service module even supports IoT-based predictive maintenance, making it ideal for service-oriented businesses. Additionally, Power BI integration allows for real-time analytics, helping teams make data-driven decisions. However, Dynamics 365 CRM is not without its downsides. The learning curve is steep, especially for non-technical users. The UI, while feature-rich, can feel cluttered and overwhelming. Customization is extensive but often requires coding knowledge or expensive consultants to tailor it to specific business needs. Pricing is another concern. While Microsoft offers modular pricing, costs can quickly add up as you scale. Licensing is complex, and add-ons like AI features or advanced analytics come at an extra cost. So who should use it? If your business is already within the Microsoft ecosystem and needs an enterprise-level CRM with deep integrations, automation, and AI-driven insights, Dynamics 365 CRM is a strong choice. It's ideal for enterprises in finance, retail, manufacturing, and professional services that require scalability and automation at a high level. However, if you're a small business or a startup looking for a simple, cost-effective CRM, options like HubSpot or Zoho CRM may be better suited. Bottom line, Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is a feature-packed, scalable solution, but it comes with complexity and cost. If you're willing to invest time in training and customization, it can significantly enhance your sales and customer management. Otherwise, simpler alternatives might save you time and money.